Introducing OnPrintShop, version 10.1. With this new version, we have added an option to add mass personalization option. With this new update, now you can set multiple printable canvas on print products. Now, you can also download the packing slip, so not a single product is left behind. Allow or block your website access to particular countries, to adhere to compliance. We have enhanced our search functionality. Now search result contains settings, orders, customer, and products. In the front end, correct result will be shown even if your customer mistypes. With version 10.1, we have added the job board in the workflow as well. Now your employees can manage orders with ease. To check all the upgrades and enhancements that OnPrintShop version 10.1 brings, go to www.onprintshop.com.